Bigger and Bigger and Bigger by Tess Fletcher. Big groups of animals. Some animals get together with hundreds, thousands, or even millions of other animals. Bigger and Bigger and Bigger by Tess Fletcher. It's getting colder, and winter is coming. So the little birds get together, and the flock gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Then they all fly together to a warmer place.
Blackbirds form huge flocks.
The reindeer get together too, and the herd gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Then they all run together to a warmer place.
Reindeer travel very far to get to their winter feeding grounds.
The butterflies get together too, and the swarm gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Then they all fly together to a warmer place.
There can be thousands of monarch butterflies in a swarm.
The sea cows get together too, and the group gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Then they all float together in a warmer place.
Sea cows are also called manatees.
The bats get together too, and the cloud gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Then they all fly together to a warmer place.
A group of resting bats is called a colony. A group of flying bats is called a cloud.
The geese get together too, and the flock gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Then they all fly together to a warmer place.
Geese take turns flying in the front of the V shape.
The whales get together too, and the pod gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Then they all swim together to a warmer place.
Gray whales swim in groups called pods.
But in the spring, the flock of birds, the herd of reindeer, the swarm of butterflies, the group of sea cows, the cloud of bats, the flock of geese, and the pod of whales go back home. Big groups, long trips. Some animals take long trips together. They travel in huge groups to warmer places before winter comes. In their warmer winter homes, they can find the food they need to survive, but they don't stay there. In the spring, they take another long trip right back to where they started. Some butterflies don't make the whole trip back to where they started, but their offspring do.